Hi everyone, welcome to week 7. This week we are going to be looking at module 7 and I have the instructions up for you. This week's readings covered chapter 13 and chapter 15 of our textbook, and it discussed staff recruitment, development, and evaluations. It also spoke in regards to a career ladder or lattice within your program, which basically is when you have a mix of ages, experiences, education of all levels, which actually motivates your staff. And I have a couple of bullet points I wanted to go over with you and how to make a workplace enjoyable. Well, you can highlight staff accomplishments through a newsletter or maybe a shout out board. You can plan fun days for your staff, like a special guest might come in or maybe a themed party. You can hold social events and serve snacks, something like a birthday recognition. You can also hold your meetings in a new environment, like off campus, other than just in the classroom or in the boardroom. You can also curriculum refreshers, basically staff or level meeting time is actually provided within your hourly day. Personnel days or flex time for special interest, like if you want to learn more about painting or take an outside course and actually have that paid on company time. You can also, something that I do daily and something that you should be doing as well, is advocate for higher pay. And if you have poor work conditions, advocate for work conditions as well. So supervisors must facilitate learning and establish a professional culture that supports learning. And when these approaches are utilized, your colleagues will continue to learn off of each other. And that's something that's really important. So this week, that is basically your reading. So go over that. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. So to be successful in this module, you want to have read chapter 13 and 15. You want to look at the videos. I have a video in there and a set of PowerPoints under module 7. And let me just go ahead and show you where that's at, because I have a video that is 3 characteristics for a happy workplace. Let me go under module 7, right here under video, 3 characteristics of a happy workplace. It's just there it is right there. It's just a few-minute video. I want to make sure that you give yourself some time to check that out. And then also in module 7, I have the mentor program information. And what that is, that's a PowerPoint discussing some wonderful opportunities as a mentor teacher and a mentor director. So take a look at that PowerPoint as well. And then as far as your assignments go, you want to continue to work on your welcome handbook, which is a group assignment due on March 30th. I want you to be creative. I know a lot of us are stuck at home right now. You can utilize Zoom or Google Meeting to communicate with your group members, or through email, or over the phone. But you do want to work hand in hand with your group to create this. If you have any questions, please make sure to shoot me an email. Please be safe, be warm. Remember the rule about being 6 feet apart from each other, and take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.